Hey Shanta, saan ba tayo ngayon?
Nasa airport.
Nasa airport? Bakit?
Kasi pupunta kami ng Australia.
So this is gonna be Shanta's first time in Australia ever, diba?
Australia.
You're gonna get a shock of your life when you go there. So we haven't told my family that the visa for Shanta got approved, the tourist visa. So we're gonna gugulatin natin sila. They think the visa wasn't approved and we're gonna come to Australia next year sometime. So they have no idea.
Next year pa, maiha.
Diba? Sinabihan ko na si Lola na na ganon yung gagawin namin.
Nasusunduin kami sa airport.
Yun. She's gonna pick us up and then we're gonna go straight to Mom and Dad's house and surprise everybody. Now, let's eat muna, Shanta. Hey guys, you won't see us, but we can see you right now at the international airport in the Philippines. We're heading to Australia. I'm so shy to get up to you. Someone is here watching us. Where are they? We have a subscriber here.
Oo, sabi niya, ano pinaka-camera niya? Tapos nakilala ka naman. Parang yan yung pinapanood namin.
Talaga. Siya pala yung nag-comment sa video namin.
Israel.
Brisbane.
Brisbane.
Ikaw lang.
First time niya sa Australia.
First time
Sa
mo
Australia ngayon.
First time.
Never pa siya nakapunta doon. Wait a second. Why are we playing this song? We should be playing the song we play every time we get traveling. You know what that one is? Bebe?
Nakalimutan ko.
You remember? The one we played when we went to Hong Kong?
I Love You.
Yeah, Love You by the Foreigner Trio. And go!
You're beautiful, shine like a star.
Social tayo dito, Shanta. Alright, Shanta, we got an 8-hour flight. Oh my gosh. Let's watch a movie, baby.
Sige, eat na.
It? Do you wanna watch It? Yung makaradlot? Wala. We'll see you guys in 8 hours.
Spend the day with you. I really wanna walk you down.
Good morning, everybody. We are flying over Australia, Shanta. Malapit na tayo.
Dream come true. You are elegance and free.
Alright, Shanta, let's go. Shanta, you're in Australia or not? Can't believe it. I still can't get over it. You're in Australia.
Pero na mo rin ako kaya
Ilan na pwede kita mag-waray, baby?
Gusto ko mag-waray.
Kinanglan kita mag-English na. Jadi pwede natin libak ko ng mga tao din eh.
Yeah.
So we're not going to stay in Sydney, we're going to go to Brisbane. So we're here at the Qantas domestic transfer at the moment, waiting for the bus. And then punta na tayo ng Brisbane, bebe.
Ba't ka nagtatagalog?
Oo nga, no? We're gonna practice English, right? English only.
English only. Nakakita ka na akong vlog.
Oh, English only, tapos nag-waray tayo.
Stay with you. I really wanna walk you down the line. Leaning on you. What you say I do. Dream come true. You are elegance and freedom. You're everything to me. I wanna spend my lifetime loving you. I'll be closer than your shadows, closer than you know. Just let me love you.
We made it, Shanta. Dito na tayo sa Brisbane. Hala, Shanta, you're outside na. Halika na. Dun tayo. Shanta is outside in Australia for the first time in history. Sige, so nandito si Lola. So puntahan natin si Lola. Siya yung nagsusundo sa amin ngayon. Welcome to Brisbane, Shanta.
Thank you.
Shanta,
Yes.
pedestrian crossings in Australia, people have to give way to you.
In Manila,
In Manila,
You
it's
die.
baliktad. Let's go.
she's my grandma.
Hey, Grandma. How you doing?
Are you crying again? Are you crying? Are you crying? I can't believe
Isn't she the best grandma in the world?
See you, darling.
Alright, let's go, Shanta.
She's here, Dwayne.
You're in Australia,
That's
Shanta.
fine.
No, you're not. No, I've got
I
no lift
can
it.
do it.
What do you think? Welcome home to Australia. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You want to sit in the front or the back, Shanta?
You sit in the front.
Are you sure?
Oh,
You sit in the front.
Okay. Why do you ask me?
Because it's ministry.
I'm driving. I'm here.
This is the
You might have
opposite
to put
side.
your seat. You got enough room there?
Yeah,
Get
yeah.
over this side, darling.
We drive on the left side of the road in Australia,
Yeah, I
baby.
know.
He reckons that they're just tricking us and they're going to come anyway. And I said, well, I was talking to Dwayne and he was in the Philippines, Kathy Ann, so I don't think he's going to make it now, if he leaves the Philippines now. But no.
So VJ suspects us. As I said earlier, we are going to surprise our family. They don't know we're here. They have no idea. They thought our visa didn't come through yet.
So then, when Dwayne rang me, it was just like when he went on his mission, and I had trouble. I was happy for him, but I cried and cried. And yeah, I was
cry.
at home and I'm crying, and the phone rang. This was after he'd gone, you know, well and truly gone. And it was Dwayne. He missed his plane over in America, you know, but he rang me, you know. It was like, now which way do I go, over the
Yours was the only phone number I memorized, Grandma.
But it was a prayer answered. It truly was, Shanta Marie. It was a prayer answered because
Shanta Marie
after that happened, I was fine.